These kicks moving through with the tick, ooh, with the thrill I create. Demons a plan, no overstand. I'm free in my zone. Drop hit, pick it up, lose full control. Don't mind.
Oh, hello there, Wallaby Dick. Welcome to another episode. It's a very exciting couple of days ahead. Heading up to compete in the Capricorn King of Kings. Kieran's with me. Howdy. Do you reckon we're going to get on the board?
I don't know. It's anyone's game. That wind forecast isn't looking too good, so we'll see how it plays out.
It's going to be very interesting. We've left the Sunshine Coast. It's a 7-hour drive, 7.5-ish. About 4 hours in so far. 3 hours.
3 hours.
Still so long to go until we can have a beer. But we're going to document the journey. Bit of a different fishing comp, not as strict on lengths of leaders and technicals like that. So we'll be chasing categories depending on what the wind is going to let us do. I've just had some fresh hubs, bearings done in the yellowfin, ready for the trip. Boy oh boy, does it add up. Boat stands out for bust out another 1,000, right? We'll update you when we get there. Woohoo! Got in late last night and crashed out. And now we're trying to establish a plan of what we're going to do over the next couple of days because the wind is putrid. So it's time for a little bit of a tutorial.
So we're giving Tim the lesson today.
Yeah, I have no idea how to use a cast net.
We've only got a 7-foot one, so it's pretty easy.
Yeah.
You'll see the footage later of Tim's first throw. What we're doing, bunch this stuff all up like this.
Yeah.
Get that.
This is 7 foot.
Yeah. You want that middle part there. Grab one of these. Because it's so small, you can actually get away doing it this way without having to bunch up too much.
Okay, so that's opening it and spreading it.
That's opening it, and then...
Whoa! Ah, that's a nice spread. You got me.
Oh, shit bait.
Yeah, terrible bait. Might be alright for cray bait. Okay, cool. So, we're going to go barra fishing.
We're going to go barra fishing. We're going to try to get some live mullet and see what we can entice with those. Hopefully, a couple little barra.
Yeah, and we've got quite the treat for you as well. The location we're going barra fishing is epic. I don't know whether or not we've included it in the title of this video, but I reckon it's going to be very interesting.
We're out trying to find some liveys, trying to find a spot for later on so we can get some of these fish happening. We are chucking the drone up, so see if we can find some little ponds, see if we can find some liveys, maybe spot some barra from the air. Yeah, just get a couple shots. Two little potty mullet.
2 potties. Oh wow, look how fat their heads are.
Yeah, they're well in there too.
Little bit of salty water from our tata. Uh-oh. Surely that was such a good cast. There's 1, 2, 3.
Little brim in there?
Yeah, a little baby brim. Or are they like a little baby?
No, it's a little brim.
Looks like a brim.
Oh, that's slapped.
See you, buddy. Look at the size of these kangaroo footprints. Pretty sure they're kangaroos. They'd have to be. They're massive. Like, this one here is like the size of my foot. Either that or something else. So it's been a big day of a recce. We've found some live bait and it's almost within competition hours. So we're decided to go and park up, get the lines ready, and try and catch a barramundi tonight. Tick that off the list, so then we don't have to worry about Kieran screaming about not catching a barramundi the whole trip.
Me?
Nah, me.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. How are you feeling?
Tired. No, I'm good. I'm ready to go.
You're tired? This was your idea.
I know. That's why I'm doing it now. Can't be bothered staying.
Alrighty, so it's 12:30. We're on to our first barra. Staying up. Proving worthwhile. This one was actually on a dead mullet. Where is he?
Go easy.
And Slam is holding up. Circle hook, 7-0 circle. Here he is.
Yeah, look, you'll carry it a little bit maybe.
I reckon we should get the net right. Got him. Dude, oh my gosh. That is so fat. Look at the size of that thing. What on earth? Oh my gosh, dude. That was on a dead mullet. 7-0 circle hook, 40-pound leader. That is so sick. Probably a 70 centimetre barra, I reckon. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. Alright, darling. See ya. Dude, I can't get over that. Oh, floating dead mullet. We went and got mullet, what, at like 3 o'clock today? And they all died apart from 1 or 2. I'm like, I'll just chuck this one out. Yeah! Let's go! Let's get the bag! You guys can't see me very well right now, but that is the perfect example of Kieran's preparation really paying off.
Yeah, more or less.
So that was on 40-pound monofilament, or 40-pound braid, FG'd. And then I actually just had that floating on a bobber. Epic. We get to upload our first fish for King of Kings. Hopefully it's not our last, but that was pretty exciting. Here's is on to a bazaar. Woo! Let's go.
Turn this way, come on.
You dropped the first one.
Don't remind me.
Don't remind me. This has been a good little session. Oh my god, kids! Oh my god! Oh my god!
How good? That thing's solid. Hold up.
Are you kidding? That thing's nearly a metre. Are you kidding?
It'll be a metre all day, sure.
Are you kidding?
Right back
That
quickly.
thing, yeah. All right, that is huge. That is massive. Oh my gosh. Chuck him on the SCF brag, man. I reckon it's close to a metre all day. Hold on, come back a bit. What's that? 993, 94. Oh, dude.
I'll try and grab one on there.
You're the boss, your
one.
fish. Yeah, he's happy. Well done. Yeah. Good. Alrighty, a bit hard to see, but we've come back to the ponds. 94. Nice bass, kids. Good job. Beautiful fish. Welcome to day 2. I sleep last night after catching those barrow. We were there till about 3 o'clock. Kieran got that nice, nearly a metre-y. And now we're going to see how stupid we are for thinking we might go fishing. We're looking at 15 to 20 knots today. We're looking at the live scoreboard as well, and it doesn't look like anyone's reported any catches out wide yet. So maybe everyone else is playing it safe as well. Doesn't look too pretty out there. Bugger. Well, we have made it back in one piece to the Sunshine Coast, and that was a very busy couple of days. Unfortunately, the weather didn't play ball for us up there. Still raining here on the sunny coast, but it was a fantastic competition. If you haven't checked out King of Kings, make sure you come along next year. It was bloody awesome fun. Amazing crew, amazing people. Unfortunately, we did not pick up a category, but I did win a lucky door prize on the way out, so I'm very stoked and happy with that. And I might show you guys what I won in a future video, so make sure you're up to date. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I've just finished doing some extra rigging for my outriggers on clickbait for the Sunshine Coast Game Fishing Classic that is now this week. So hopefully we get on the board for that, and stay tuned and come along for the adventure. We'll see you in the next episode. Sorry there wasn't a whole lot of footage from out offshore, but it wasn't fishable weather out there. But it was good fun to get some barra on the scoreboard. Gotta be happy with that. See you in the next episode. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. Happy to help and happy to answer where I can.